is my awesome dog, and she's going to show you all her sick moves, starting with how she jumps. Okay, ready, Daisy? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, all the way over there? How about you jump from there to in my closet? Okay, you ready? Set. Go! Look it! All the way over there! How about from in the closet to out the door? Sound good? Okay. Daisy, come in the closet! Come in. Come in. Oh, so we put her in the closet. Shut the door. Stay in. Shut the door. Stay in there, Daisy. Shut the door. See how she's in there? And she's gonna go, okay? Who's there? Where's Daisy? Daisy? Daisy, where are you? Did she turn into a mongoose? How'd you get all the way over in Tristan's room? How'd you get all the way over here? Well, that's just another episode of Daisy and the Jumpin' Numbinga.